And welcome back with episode 2 of Subnautica. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it off where I left last time. That way we can get some missions in. Get the main storyline going.
This is Ozzy from the cafeteria. What the hell, guys? They didn't warn us this might happen. Our pod was almost crushed by this Seamoth Bay on the way down. Now we're hanging on the edge of a cave system, and this grim-looking snake thing's trying to eat through the hull. Come get us already.
Oh there.
Signal location uploaded to PDA.
Okay, I need food first. Okay, 2 glass. Make sure I have more quartz. If this thing respawn. Okay, we're good. Okay. Crap, don't have any silver ore. Hey, how much did that take? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Wiring kit and fiber mesh. Back. Back too soon.
Short-range scans suggest this biome supports extensive biodiversity and connects to a number of small cave networks.
This is gonna be fun. That fits. Yeah, it fits. There it is.
Integrating new PDA data. Local Initial scans show a nearby cave entrance, depth 90 meters, leading to an unknown environmental biome.
Sounds interesting. I need more oxygen. Okay.
Passing 100 meters, oxygen efficiency decreased.
I'm never gonna ask what the thing is.
New creature
Ah,
discovered.
ow.
30 seconds.
Okay. Whoa. Chill.
Oxygen. Integrating new PDA data.
What? Okay, good look at this. This organism is displaying signs of bacterial infection. Bright green blisters are forming networks around the infection sites. Pathology suggests a waterborne bacterium capable of infecting the body through the skin and respiratory system.
Warning. Local radiation
That doesn't
readings
sound good.
suggest the Aurora's drive core has reached critical state. Quantum detonation will occur within 2 hours.
Great. Underlining indications of genetic mutation and aggressive behavior. Okay. The bacteria itself is unlike any so far recorded in human exploration. Warning, may be contagious. Avoid. Do not, under any circumstances, consume the flesh. Oh, great. Where's flowers?
Ozzy's log. It's the day of the crash. I don't know what the heck is happening. I'm scared and I'm not going outside. There are shadows in the water under the hatch, but I can't tell if they're rocks or aliens. And there's weird-looking caves nearby. The Aurora was carrying everything needed to build the phase gate. Mobile vehicle bays, bioreactors, propulsion cannons. It had a cinema. There was a zero-G gym. My cafe. I don't understand how we're here now. I don't know why no one's coming for me.
Congratulations, Survivor. You have exceeded your weekly exercise quotient by 500%. Data
It
indicates that swimming
it
is
gets done with that,
optimized.
and it tells me I get done
Please
with my weekly
follow your routine
exercise.
for uniform muscle development.
Okay.
You really think it'll carry 2 of us?
Your regular sea glide tows a mass of 80 kilograms at over 30 kilometers an hour. The power cellar rigged to this one should double that.
You think there's something out there that's faster?
Oh, sure. And that's assuming it doesn't overload 3 meters from the life pod.
You're calm about this.
I'm seeing the engineering problem. If I stop seeing the maths, I'll be terrified.
Okay. Moving on from that, hold up. I'm gonna get my bed. I don't have a gaming chair yet.
This is Avery Quinn of Trading Ship Sunbeam. Aurora, do you read? Over? Nothing but vacuum. These Altera ships. They run low on engine grease, send an SOS. You offer to help, they don't pick up. Aurora, I'm out on the far side of the system. It's gonna take more than a week to reach your position. Do you still need our assistance? Over. I'll try them again tomorrow. Damn charter's gonna have us blowing our credits running errands for Altera. See what the long-range scans pick up in the meantime.
Well then. Okay, so what's next? Because I've been only recording for 17 minutes, and I'm not done in this video that the Aurora will explode. So I'm gonna wait for a little bit, and if nothing else interesting happens, I'll cut it out. Speaking of interesting, where did that come from? Whoa, God! Those things. Okay, if anything doesn't happen again. Oh, if anything doesn't happen, I'll edit it out now.
Blueprint acquired.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
A quantum detonation has occurred in the Aurora's drive core. The reactor will reach a supercritical state in T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Phone's warning.
New blueprint acquired. For your convenience, the radiation suit has been added to your blueprint database.